I discovered something shocking when I interviewed 50 self-made millionaires. They all mastered the same 10 skills that 99% of people completely ignore. What's even more surprising, the richest person I interviewed wasn't the smartest. Let me explain why that matters to you in just a moment. But first, let me tell you why most people fail to build wealth. It's not about luck, it's not about inheritance, and it's definitely not about working harder. It's about mastering a specific set of skills that transform average earners into wealth magnets. I'm going to reveal all 10 of these skills today, but pay special attention to skill number 7. That's the one that changed everything for me. Let's dive in. Skill number 1, ruthless focus. Look around you. The world is designed to steal your attention. Social media, notifications, breaking news, the latest drama. But while everyone else is distracted, the wealthy are doing one thing: going deep on what matters. They don't chase every opportunity. They chase the right one. Ask yourself, is what I'm doing right now moving me closer to my goals? If not, eliminate it. Your attention is your most valuable currency. Skill number 2, money management. Here's a truth that shocked me. A person making $70,000 can end up wealthier than someone making $250,000. How? Because wealth isn't about earning, it's about managing. The rich track every dollar. They invest in assets that grow, not liabilities that shrink. Remember this: if you can't manage $100 properly, you'll never manage $1 million. But what most people don't realize is that money management is actually the easiest skill on this list. I'll show you why when we get to skill number 5. Skill number 3, persuasion. This might surprise you. Every wealthy person I've met is an exceptional salesperson, whether they realize it or not. Not just selling products. They sell ideas, visions, solutions, in job interviews, in business meetings, in everyday conversations. The ability to make someone say yes is worth millions. And contrary to what you might think, it's not about manipulation. It's about clearly communicating value. Skill number 4, self-activation. You know what separates the wealthy from the wishful? Action. The rich don't wait for motivation. They create it. They don't need someone pushing them. They move first, then the motivation follows. What's your why? Make it so vivid it pulls you out of bed every morning. Because discipline beats talent when talent doesn't have discipline. Skill number 5, emotional intelligence. Remember when I said money management was the easiest skill? That's because this one is the hardest. You can be brilliant with numbers but poor with people, and you'll still struggle. The wealthy read rooms like they read balance sheets. They stay calm under pressure. They connect authentically. They build trust. Start by mastering your own emotions first, then learn to understand others. Because business is people, and people follow those they feel understood by. Skill number 6, decisive action. Indecision is the silent wealth killer. The rich make decisions quickly and change them slowly, only when the evidence demands it. They trust their judgment but verify data. Every day you delay making a key decision, you lose opportunity that compounds over time. Remember when I mentioned interviewing millionaires? The most common regret they shared wasn't making wrong decisions, it was making decisions too late. Skill number 7, strategic leadership. This is the skill that changed everything for me personally. You can't build significant wealth alone. At some point, you need leverage, and leverage comes from people. Leadership isn't about authority, it's about inspiration and execution. The wealthy don't just have ideas, they bring people together to make those ideas reality. They take responsibility, they set the vision, they build teams that multiply their impact. Master this and you'll never hit an income ceiling again. Skill number 8, continuous learning. The average millionaire reads 1 book per week. The average person, less than 2 books per year. Think about that gap for a moment. Reading gives you decades of someone's experience in days. But it's not just about consumption, it's about application. The wealthy don't just learn, they execute on what they learn immediately. What's the last thing you learned that you actually applied? Skill number 9, unbreakable discipline. Everyone knows what they should do. Few actually do it. Discipline is the bridge between goals and accomplishment. The wealthy aren't smarter, they're more consistent. They do what needs to be done, especially when they don't feel like it. Start small, build one habit, master it, move to the next. Small wins compound into unstoppable momentum. Skill number 10, problem-solving mindset. Here's the simplest wealth formula I've ever found. Money flows to problem solved. Every product, every service, every business, they all solve a problem for someone. The wealthy are obsessed with finding better solutions. Faster solutions, cheaper solutions. Want to earn more? Solve bigger problems. Want to earn much more? Solve problems at scale. Remember when I told you the richest person I interviewed wasn't the smartest? It's because they were the best problem solver. They saw opportunities where others saw obstacles. So let me ask you, of these 10 skills, where are you strongest? Where are you weakest? Don't just think about it. Rate yourself honestly from 1 to 5 on each skill. Then pick just one to master next. Remember that ruthless focus we talked about in skill number 1? Apply it here. One skill, one focus, one transformation at a time. Wealth isn't random. It's not luck. It's not magic. It's the result of mastering these 10 skills that 99% of people ignore. Start today. Pick your weakest skill and commit to mastering it. Your future self will thank you. And if you want to learn more about financial freedom and securing your financial future faster than you ever thought possible, subscribe so you don't miss out on videos I've put together just for you. But remember, knowledge without action is useless. The question isn't whether you know these skills, it's whether you'll master them. The choice is yours.